SEO. You must have heard this word numerous times in digital marketing, and there's no doubt that SEO is the biggest tool to get your page rank on number 1 on Google. But before you utilize this gem of a thing, you should know what it actually is. And if you're just starting out with SEO, that means you're a beginner, and there are numerous amount of blogs and vlogs available for you. So is this just another video for SEO? Yes and no, because our team at Mavenwit had jotted down and done a hardcore research to curate this content just for you. So that's why we planned 3 videos for SEO. Number 1 was search engine optimization for the beginners. Number 2 was SEO tutorials, a step-by-step process. And number 3 was tips and tricks about SEO. So without wasting any further time, let's begin.
So what is SEO? What is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization aims to draw enormous amount of traffic to your website by bringing it to top of the search engine results. SEO is used by businessmen and individuals to maximize their visibility by boosting their websites and by boosting the content that they are putting out there. SEO is like a magnet to the people that are searching the keywords that you are putting it in your content or your website.
So the question arises, is SEO important in digital marketing? And if yes, why is SEO so important in digital marketing? The ranking factor is key to success in digital marketing. However, it is not possible to gather vast amount of traffic on your website, but SEO ensures that it is a probability. A constant work on SEO will definitely bring success to your website. Here are some of the factors why SEO is tremendously important in digital marketing. Generally, an user refers to the website which have higher ranking in search engine. Nobody likes to go down and see, oh, there's this article as well. Nobody has time for that. And that's why SEO is important in digital marketing.
Number 2, it helps in the promotion of website and the brand that you have created. Higher ranked article usually gets more share on social media like Facebook, Twitter, and most importantly on LinkedIn as well, increasing the traffic and at the same time trust in the people for your brand.
Number 3, it helps you in increasing customers and overcome the competition in your particular field. The higher you rank, the more chances are people reading your article. Ask yourself how many times you have gone down to read an article. Well, you haven't. And that's why the higher you rank, the more chances is for you to get more customers and beat the competition that you have in your particular field. And that is one of the biggest advantage of SEO in digital marketing.
Now, as I've said enough about the keywords, what are they and how are they important and relevant in SEO? Well, your SEO keywords and the phrases makes it possible for the user to search you out on Google. In other words, you need to know what people are searching, what keywords are they using while searching in your particular field, and use them in your web content, and that is how you rank, and that is how the keyword works in SEO. Now, let's say you're doing enormous amount of research and using proper keywords while uploading your content, but you still gotta go through Google search algorithm, right? And that brings me to my next question. What is Google search algorithm? Google search algorithm is a complex system by Google that helps Google to rank and return the page that is more relevant to what the search query has sent him. To be more precise, the whole ranking system consists of varieties of factors such as usability, quality of content, and the relevance of the content. But how does Google search algorithm works? Let's find out. There are so many factors that comes into the play while giving their results, and we'll definitely be going through some of them that have been listed by Google that influences the results that have been sent by Google search engine. Let's go through them.
Number 1, meaning of the query. To return the relevant results, Google must understand what the query is. What is the intent behind the query? They must understand and access various things such as the meaning of the word. What exactly the used word means in the native language. Number 2, the intent behind the query. What does user wants by using this particular query, such as does he want review, does he want definition, does he want to purchase that product, and all that stuff. Number 3, freshness of the content. The content should be updated. Nobody wants the results that have been 20 years past, right? Because they are not relevant now. This is how Google stay relevant, by giving the results. No matter how relevant the content is, if the quality isn't there, if the depth in the content isn't there, then the content is nothing. And that's why Google has to prioritize the content on the basis of the quality of the content, such as are they expertise in that particular field? Are they authentic? Are they trustworthy? One of the key elements that goes into the play are page rank algorithm. It assigns the numeric value to the content or the article based on how many backlinks this article is going to get. And that's how the quality of the content is decided by Google. Well, now you know how Google algorithm works, but do you know how many types of SEO there are? Well, don't worry, we are here for you. There are 4 types of SEO: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, and local SEO. Let's discrete them out and discuss about them. Number 1, on-page SEO, also referred as the on-site SEO. This is the process of optimizing your content, such as using right keywords, headers, meta title, images, so on and so forth. Number 2 is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is everything that does not happen on your website. It's about building exposure and the trust in your company to increase more sales and more revenue. Most off-page SEO work is based on link building. If you are unaware of what link building is the practice of getting reputable websites to link back at you. And that's what off-page SEO is all about, getting exposure and building trust. Number 3, technical SEO. Technical SEO is the action performed by SEO to make sure that search engine crawls to your website. As the search engine and their algorithm is changing, they become more complex. And that's why your SEO needs to be constantly evolving. And that's where technical SEO comes into the picture. In order to make sure that search engine does not have any problem crawling down to your website, you need an efficient SEO. That is technical SEO.
Number 4, local SEO. As the name suggests, it's the variation of focusing on a specific area rather than the national focus. It's all about increasing your online presence in your community, your services, your product to your local customers. The benefits of local SEO is it's highly targeted and you have a greater chance of ranking on Google.
Now that we have covered everything about SEO and it's important, I'm sure you'll be burning out with a lot of questions. And worry not, our next video is about the same. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel so that whenever our next video goes live, you'll be notified. Also, if you have any further question regarding SEO or marketing related topic, make sure you comment down below and our Mavenwit team will be happy to assist you. Also, if you need a detailed guidance, make sure you go to our website. The link is in the description and we'll be giving you the detailed guidance about everything that is related to your query. Because we at Mavenwit, we build brands based on innovation, creativity and value. Till then, this is Tanmay Thirte from Mavenwit, signing off.